This small apple tree has a very interesting form, and in order to kind of describe what's happening here, I'll need to give a little bit of history. The tree had not been pruned for several years. It had several seasons of really heavy fruit. And so what happened is the lateral branches were overextended. The weight of the fruit pulled those branches down, and then as the tree matured, it had a very umbrella shape to it. And so it's not necessarily a bad thing to shape it that way, but where this tree is in the lawn, the lower branches kind of are obstructing equipment, and with kids playing and lawn mowing and everything, it could cause some damage to the tree overall. And so what we've tried to do with this particular tree is significantly reduce the overextended branches to a point where we could start pointing the tree back vertical. And so it's been a couple of years of some heavy pruning horizontally, and you can see now that we're getting a lot of that vertical growth. And so the next step is to continue to thin out the water sprouts, continue to allow the spurs to develop, and we're gonna go ahead and maintain kind of an open center on this apple tree because that's the form that has been given to us. And so we'll just maintain that form, but we're gonna just mostly focus on maintenance pruning at this point. So the structural pruning has been done. We're just going to do some maintenance by thinning water sprouts and helping to develop more spurs so that the tree can be productive. But the way that we've got this now, these lower branches are sturdy, they're strong, they can support a real heavy fruit load without branch failure. So we just finished pruning this apple tree, and as you can see, the structural work that we did 2 years ago is complete, and the maintenance pruning that we did was just a matter of tipping water sprouts to allow more sunlight into the existing spurs, and by tipping these water sprouts, they will continue to develop more spurs up higher in the tree. And so we've got kind of an umbrella shape, but overall this tree has been pruned to be structurally sound and to be very productive if the conditions are right in the spring.